Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now as we look towards some of the key features, and with this being the sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sport styling such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side skirts, which add that overall aggressive look. As well, you do get the additional chrome accents such as the exhaust tips, window surrounds and front grille. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these impressive LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these sport-specific 18-inch 8.5 twin-spoke cast aluminium wheels, which do really complement that lovely black paintwork. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A5 Sportback, where we find up to 480 litres of storage space. It's a large amount for a Sportback of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional black rock stitching to complement. As well, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there is Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the A5 Sportback perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large mounted plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the sports model, it does mean the sporty design language continues onto the inside, such as these full leather seats, which are very comfortable. Looking above now, we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, as well as having access to telephone connectivity, vehicle data and your radio stations as well. Above now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just looking below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Moving upwards once again, we find the optional reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A5 Sportback Sport, which is now available at Stafford Audi.